Alright guys, so the first thing that we're going to do to this bike in the series is we got to change this air filter, because as you can tell, a rat got to it. And this one is not looking too good. Also, it's pretty old. Kind of just wants to fall apart in your hand like it's really just like old and stuff. So we're gonna replace it with the new Pro filter. Found it on eBay. So hopefully this one fits and works. I have used one of these and they're pretty nice. Not sponsored by them, but they are pretty nice, pretty easy. They already come with the pre-oiled, so they're kind of nice. So I'll get to installing it. Alright guys, so I got the air filter on here. It's a really easy to change. So now we're going to, where does that have to go? It's got to go down, and it's got to turn like that. Alrighty. Alright guys, so I got the new air filter installed on in there. It looks really good. And now we're going to move to putting the seat back on. Alright guys, so the parts that we have going on today is we got a front tire. It is a Kenda Millville 2. Looks pretty good. I don't really know. Bought it. It wasn't even supposed to be in today. It was supposed to be in like a week or two, but got it in today. I got a new IMS shifter. It's got a pretty dang big angle on it. It comes over about 2 inches, so hopefully it fits. It says it does, so hopefully it fits. We got some Pro Taper grips. I like these ones. I don't know exactly what they're called, but they're not the pillow top, but I like these ones more. I had them on my DRZ, and I really like them more than the pillow top, because the pillow top ripped for me. So I got those, and then I got some white Rust-Oleum paint for the frame. So let's get into installing all the parts. Alright guys, so I got the new shifter installed. Had to do a little bit of adjusting there, but it's all good now. Alright guys, so I got the front tire on. I got the rear tire on. I got the chain and sprocket on. I got my grips on. I got me a new carburetor and a new lever. The bike's coming together really good. I started powder coating some stuff. I powder coated the subframe. I gotta do chrome first, then I do the red. I have the exhaust pipe somewhere around here. I don't know where exactly, but I'll find it at the end to it. I repacked it. Now I gotta powder coat that. I'll try to show you guys the process of powder coating. So yeah. Stay tuned. Here's the exhaust muffler, by the way. You gotta do with this powder coat that I got, you gotta do chrome first. It is, oh shoot. It is this candy red. From the powder coat store. It's pretty nice. But yeah, I'm gonna get to powder coating the expansion chamber, and then I'm probably gonna powder coat the subframe, or the red. And yeah, so I'll show you guys how I do this.